Students, today we will read the next poem, that is The True Beauty. This poem has been composed by Thomas Carew. Thomas Carew was a very famous poet in the regime of Charles I, the King of England. The poet has written a number of poems on the theme of love and honor. One out of them is this poem, that is The True Beauty. In this poem, he has tried to explain what the beauty is. Whom can we say the beauty? You will find the answer of these questions from this poem of Thomas Carew. First of all, we should also understand what Indian philosophy says about beauty. Indian philosophy says about the beauty that it is सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम. भारतीय दर्शन में कहा गया है सुंदरता सत्यम शिवम सुंदर है, अर्थात जो सत्य होगा वह शुभ होगा, सुखद होगा, लाभकारी, कल्याणकारी होगा. जो सुखद, शुभ, लाभकारी, कल्याणकारी होगा वही सुंदर होगा. ये भारतीय दर्शन के अनुसार सुंदरता की परिभाषा है. अंग्रेजी में इन इंग्लिश देयर इज आल्सो ए लाइन लाइक दिस which has been quoted by a very famous poet whose name is John Keats. John Keats has written defining the beauty as the truth is beauty, beauty truth. So in these two definitions, in these two quotations, there is an assertion about the beauty, that beauty must be true and truth must be beautiful. This is the main characteristic of beauty. In the present poem, that is a very short lyric of 12 lines which has a theme of beauty. According to the poet, there are two types of beauties. One is outer beauty and other is inner beauty. In the first stanza, we will read about the outer beauty, that is also known as physical beauty.